turn to weather because Troy Bridges is tracking some really important things. We have cold weather, we have a little bit of rain, but it's also dangerously dry right now.
Yes, dry leading to that fire threat. So we're going to watch for that. Some rain does come for the weekend.
Okay, and we need it, so I welcome that.
And we are going to see some rain chances extending into part of next week. We've been talking about that big area of high pressure over the past several days. That is the dominant feature on our forecast. We will start to see that change though, but you see that big blue H, that big area of high pressure continuing to suppress those clouds. You can see that airflow from just above us continuing to press down, preventing clouds, preventing rain, and that trend will continue as we head at least through the day tomorrow. Then we start to see some changes as we go into the weekend. But I do want to draw your attention to this fire danger and the extreme drought. You see Clayton County right there, the bullseye in red. That is where we have that dangerously dry condition, and that will continue for a large part of North Georgia. In fact, you see the orange around the red as well as the tan across a large part of the state of Georgia. Again, that is the dangerous drought that we are dealing with, and we're not going to see any measurable rain as we go into the next couple of days. But I do want to show you those cold temperatures once again tonight. As you see the blue in the North Georgia mountains, we are going to be dropping those temperatures in areas like Blairsville into the upper 30s. So chilly enough, of course, for that big jacket as the kids head out the door. We are going to see more sun tomorrow with a few clouds building in, and of course that will help to warm us up. We do go into the mid 70s for afternoon highs in Atlanta and the North Georgia mountains, areas like Blairsville, and the upper 60s for afternoon high temperatures. Let me take you into the hour-by-hour forecast. Going to noon tomorrow to a high of 70, then into the afternoon starting to see a few additional clouds and a high of 75. But the next 7 days will show a cool down on the way as we track a new front. That will increase some rain chances going into the weekend, especially on Sunday. We'll see rain chances each day, Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. And look at those high temperatures going into the 60s for afternoon high temperatures, 63 on Monday, only warming to 64 degrees for the afternoon high as we go into your Tuesday. So Jobina, cooler air next week. We'll certainly notice that after a little bit of rain. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Troy.